In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Sendwave 2025 step by step. If you're new to Sendwave, this walkthrough will take you from your first download to sending and tracking your first transfer with confidence. I'll keep it simple, explain why each action matters, and share a few tips along the way so you avoid common mistakes. Start by downloading the official Sendwave app from your device's app store. Search for the name, check the developer and reviews, and make sure you're getting the legitimate app. Keeping your device updated and installing from trusted sources helps protect your money and your data from the start. Open the app and create your account. Follow the prompts to select your country, enter your basic details, and verify your phone or email with a one-time code. Depending on your location and transfer size, you may be asked to verify your identity to meet financial regulations. Have a valid government ID ready and ensure the name on your profile matches your ID exactly. Accurate profile details prevent delays later. Now set up security, create a strong passcode, and, if your device supports it, enable biometric unlock for quick, secure access. Turn on notifications so you get instant updates every time a transfer is initiated, completed, or requires action. Add a payment method next. Most users link a debit card, and some regions support alternative options like Apple Pay or bank accounts. Enter your card details carefully, making sure the billing address matches your bank record. It's normal to see a temporary authorization hold when adding a new card. This helps verify the card and usually disappears soon after. Add a recipient by choosing the destination country and delivery option, such as mobile money, bank deposit, or cash pickup where available. Enter the recipient's full legal name exactly as it appears on their ID, along with accurate account or wallet numbers and contact details. Double check every digit to avoid failed transfers and fees. Enter the amount you want to send. Review the exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the estimated arrival time before you proceed. Choose your payment method, add an optional note for the recipient if the app offers it, and make sure all details look correct. Finally, confirm and track your transfer. Authorize the payment, then watch the real-time status in the app. You'll receive a receipt and, if needed, a reference number you can share with your recipient. If you spot an error, act quickly. Some transfers can't be changed once they're processing. For help, use in-app support. And that's it. You're ready to use Sendwave confidently.